You have watched the videos, you have taken courses, you have probably started building something 3 different times and nothing ever came together. Not because you're not smart enough, not because you're lazy, you're not, but because nobody ever showed you the full picture, how every piece actually connects into one working system. That changes today. In this course, you and I are going to build a complete AI-powered business system, step by step, and it's from scratch. And by the end of this, you're not going to have notes, you're going to have a working system that captures attention and builds trust and turns strangers into customers automatically. This is lesson 1, and it starts with understanding what you're actually building. So my name is Kais Stanix. I build AI-powered business system, the kind that handles your marketing, your follow-ups, your customer acquisition without you doing it manually every day. I have spent a lot of time figuring out how these tools actually fit together, not just in theory, but in practice. So what I teach is what I use, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build the same thing. It's no hype, it's no fluff, I'm not going to sell you anything. Everything is for free, it's worth thousands of dollars. You can sell it to someone else or use it in your own business. It's just a clear system that works. Here's what I see happening all the time. So someone decides they want to build an online business. They are motivated, they start researching, and they get hit with a wall of information. Funnels, emails, sequences, landing pages, CRM automations, copywriting, ads, and every single expert is telling them to start with something different. So they try a bit of everything. Maybe they build a landing page, but never connects to anything else. Maybe they write a few emails, but have no one to send them to. Maybe they set up a tool and never actually launch. It's so many different tools that it just gets overwhelming and complicated. I have had many clients that had the same issues. So the problem isn't effort. The problem is that no one showed you how these pieces fit together. You have been trying to build a house by collecting random bricks without a blueprint, and that's exactly what most courses do. They teach you one piece, how to run ads, how to write a copy, how to use some tool, but they never show you the full system. They give you bricks but never the blueprint. And why would they? Because they are selling this for thousands of dollars. So this course is different. We are starting with the blueprint, and I will give you everything for free, which is worth thousands of dollars, and you will understand it. It's just copy and paste. So let me show you exactly what we are building. So this is a system blueprint. It maps out every single piece of business system that we are going to build throughout this course. And yes, you're going to download this for free. You can access it, and I will give it to you at the end. So here's how it works. There are 3 phases. So phase 1 is the foundation. This is where we get crystal clear, laser focused on strategy. You will set up Claude AI as your business partner. And I mean that literally. You're going to load your entire business DNA into it so it can help you write, plan, build everything faster. Then we nail down your niche, your ideal customer, your messaging, and your offer. By the end of this phase, you know exactly who you serve, what you sell, and how you talk about it. So most people skip this phase. They jump straight into building a website or running ads, and then they wonder why nothing converts. We're not going to make that mistake, because defining your niche, your ideal customer, your messaging, your offer is the most important part of your business. If you get that part right, everything else will be 1,000 times easier. And most people skip this phase. They jump straight to building a website or running ads, and they wonder why nothing converts. We are not making that mistake. And in phase 2, it's infrastructure. This is where we build that machine, the engine. You will set up the marketing platform. It's all in one platform that handles your website, your CRM, your email, your booking, your automation, AI conversations, everything in one place. There are so many things in that platform that you can use. So you're not duct taping 5, 6 different tools and you have to learn all this tech. And it just gets overwhelming and it's unnecessary. We will get your domain set up, your email authenticated, so your email doesn't end up in promotion or spam. So your email ends up in the inbox folder. What I mean by authenticating your email, so we will set up your own domain. Let's say your name is John. You will have john.com as a domain, your own domain, and we will authenticate it, connect it to your email address, and your email address will be, let's say, info@john.com. It's more trusted and you will end up in inbox, because we will authenticate, we will do all the technical things, and I will show you everything. And I will also connect that to your calendar. So when someone books a time with you, the person will get an email from you. Let's say info@john.com has booked a time with you. So they will get this email to their inbox, and similar emails, contact@john.com, info@john.com, hello@john.com, confirmation@john.com. You will get all these emails set up for free, and I will show you how. And you will create your funnel pages live, your lead magnet created and connected, your booking calendar synced. By the end of this phase, you will have a complete system that captures someone's attention, earns their email, nurtures them, talks with them, automated message conversations, and book a call with you, or sell whatever product you have. If it's digital products, if it's PDFs, it's community, all without you lifting a finger, and everything will be on autopilot. And you will get all of these systems for free. I will tell you later on in this course how you get all of these templates, snapshots for free from me. These are premium templates, premium snapshots that will cost you thousands of dollars to create, to get a designer and create them. But I'm giving you all of this for free. You don't have to give me anything in return. It's all for free, and I promise you. So phase 3 is the launch phase. So we build your email automations, different sequences that will talk to your ideal customers, and it will be all written with Claude. Remember, we are using Claude already in the next lesson. So it configures your business, your offer, your niche, your messaging, your ICP, your offer, everything. So it will know exactly what to do, how to write these emails. And then we test every single connection. We will fix any gaps and any problems we have. So we will debug the whole system. We will go through the whole system and see everything is working correctly, so you can launch your own business then afterwards. And then we will turn on the switch and your system goes live. You have a working system that works perfect without any problem, and it's premium, it's high end, it looks good. And here's the part that matters. Every lesson ends with something built, not something you understand, something that exists. By lesson 12, you don't have a notebook full of ideas. You'll have a working business system. And also after these 12 lessons, I will create even more lessons that can directly integrate to your existing project. For example, if you have a chat widget that talks with people who visit your website and automatically registers them into a pipeline or captures their lead, everything will be integrated, and I will be creating more and more resources and lessons that you can put together in this and copy and paste and make the system even better and bulletproof. And look at this. This is what it looks like from your customer's perspective. They discover your content, they land on your page, they give you their email address or their phone number, they get nurtured automatically, and they book a call, they become a customer. That's the journey, and behind it, your system is running all of it. You build it once and it works continuously. There are a lot of courses out there, so let me be straight with you about what makes this one different. First, AI is built into everything. We use Claude AI in 10 out of 13 lessons. It's not a gimmick, it's how you build faster, write better, and think more clearly about your business. And second, implementation, not information. Every lesson ends with a tangible deliverable. So you're not going to watch someone talk at the whiteboard for an hour. You're not going to do that here. You are building alongside me. You're building everything here in real time. And third, it's free, and it's completely free. This isn't a teaser, so I'm not going to tease you. I'm not going to get to lesson 7 and say, buy my program to see the rest. This is a full system right here. 13 lessons, every step, every single step, you'll get all of it. All I ask is that you actually do the work, watch the lessons in order, build each piece, and by the end, you will have something most people spend months or thousands of dollars trying to just figure out. All right, so here's what I want you to do right now. You can go into the description and you will find the link to this resource down in the description. It's kaistonixi.com/lesson1, and you can download the blueprint. It's the PDF I just walked through, I showed you in this video. It's the complete map of everything we are going to build. It's free. Print it out, pen it next to your screen, and use it to track your progress through every single lesson. Step 2, please drop a comment below and tell me what kind of business you're building, or want to build. I read every comment and it helps me to make the rest of this course even more useful for you. Step 3, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. This course is designed to be followed in order. Each lesson builds on the last one. In lesson 2, we set up your AI business partner. I'm going to show you exactly how to configure Claude AI so it understands your business, your audience, your goals, and become the tool that makes everything else in this course 10 times faster. I will see you there.